Welcome back, friends. Today we're gonna make two round box for a gift, for a pen holder like this. It's up to you what you want to make with the different color coils. As you can see, I already put there. First of all, for that we need the glue, pencil, scissor and compass and scale. Okay, friends. So first of all, we are going to make a coil. So we will take to make it done with 300 paper strip. Okay, it's 30 centimeter or 300 paper strip. We make a coil with this. As you can see, we make it a coil. Okay, friends, so same like that we already make the coils. Now one paper you can cut the hard paper for the bottom of the box. It's up to you which size you want, but I make 46 yes, 46 mm, 86 mm. So for that we need to cover that. I will cut it on more paper for making it beautiful. I will make the edges for that. Is we will put the gun here. Hold the edges. Same like this, I will make the edges and put on the top. Now friends, we did it. Now we will cover this one with this. Also, we are going to stick this one there. Now for make this bottom more beautiful, we cut some different colors circle with the small sizes. So we will also stick on the bottom these colors. Now friends, as you can see, we make a very beautiful bottom of the box. So everything is the right dimension. Because if you want to make it, you have to take it time to make a proper dimension, even around the borders and all the middle. Now friend, let's start to make it put the different colors one by one. You can step by step making the colors. Now put the purple middle. This can be a middleman. Okay. First step, we done it, as you see. Now friends, we are making the second step. Put the glue, and now you will put middle of the blue and orange for the first step. Half on blue, half on orange. Same the other one, all the stuff, all the coils you will do same strategy. Purple also, half on purple, half on yellow. Yellow also do same. Half on yellow, half on red, and red is also half on red, half on blue, and do it again same with the blue. Continue this method until you finish this bar also. I'll make and come back again after the second bar, so stay tuned. I will be back after the second bar. Now friends, we make two steps. As you can see, these are the different colors. Now we will make third one also same like this, and until we finish the box we are doing like this. Every next step we'll make half to the other one. Put half orange on purple and half orange on orange, and same half purple on purple, half purple on yellow. Step by step, just like when we make the box on same after yellow, red, half red on red, half on blue, also blue, half on blue, half on orange. So you will continue until you finish the box. Same strategy. Now we make 3 steps and we are continue making like this step by step until we finish our box. Friends, we make 5 steps and you can see it looks very awesome, very nice, beautiful inside as you can see outside. So we can make it more, it's up to you how many bars you want. Here we just put now 5 bars, so it's depend on person what he wants to make, like a gift box, like a pen box, anything you can make this one in these simple steps. So I will make more and more. It's up to me how many bars I will put on it. So let's see more. Now friends, we make it with 4 bars. Look at this. Now we will making a cover for this. So for cover we will make the dimension of 33 mm, like the circle will be 66. So we will put again the coils one by one under the line. So then we will put a coiling flower on the top for making it a beautiful box. So for that we will start again. It should be looks very beautiful after when you finish it. friends, we can make a cover like this. It should be a cover. This. So friends, you can see it's dry. It's just like a cover, because if we make it clear, we will not make any hurdle for the box. It fell now. So I put a double tape here and make any flower for quilling or anything. Just put it on the top like this. Make the box. As you can see, it's awesome. So beautiful gift box for anyone. You can keep some material inside and give it to, or you can put the jewelry also here. And see, this is so beautiful box, as you can see. I hope you guys like my tutorial. You watch and you learn every single thing which I did in this box. It's easy. It's just if you want to make this, you need some time and your concentration. The best way, if you want to learn, you have to watch it properly. After that, you can make the different style, different shapes, all kind of things. Whatever you want to do with these quills, you can do. First, you have to make your idea in your mind. When you watch the video, I'm sure you must get some good ideas, because everybody is not thinking same. So make something different from your ideas. I hope you like our videos. Keep watching. If you like our videos, like, comment and share it. All the best, friends. We will meet in the next video with the next style, next shape, next designs. So keep watching our channels. Thank you. Bye friends.